Hello and welcome to the Link2Feed training series. This video is for Congregate meal sites and demonstrates how to record the number of meals as well as how to run a report for the number of meals. I'm starting from the dashboard of the test site. To record the number of meals, use your left-hand navigation bar and click Programs, Record Data. On this page, you should see this Congregate feeding option, and once again, click Record Data. This is where you're going to enter the number of meals served. Theoretically, it should be entered every day, but if you can do it weekly or at least monthly, that is the minimum requirement. Please enter the date as well as the number of meals served. You don't necessarily have to track the number of children, adults, and seniors. So you can enter zeros in these sections unless you prefer to track the number of individuals served. Otherwise, the number of meals is the only requirement. Click Save, and you are done. The total will show here. You can edit your visit, delete the visit, and look at the time frame. One thing to make note of, I'm going to edit the visit here, is that if you do enter a number in the number of children, adults, and seniors, it will duplicate your total. So if you're looking for just the number of meals, but you also entered individuals, it will be a duplicated perspective. So if you're looking at this page and you're only wanting to total the number of meals, you can either view it from that edit button or just enter the number of meals to avoid confusion. You can always view your entries here, but you can also run a report to aggregate this information in any particular time frame. In order to do that, you can go back to your navigation bar and click Reports, New Report. And we are going to want to use the generic program report in order to get congregate meal data. Click New Report. Here you're going to want to give it a title. And if you want to run the report right now on this day at this time, you can leave this section alone. However, you also have the option to set it to automatically run on a regular basis if you choose, but otherwise you don't have to adjust anything in this section. Select a time frame. Typically, a calendar month is what we recommend looking at. For this example, I don't have a lot of data in there, so I'm only going to do a few weeks. And then you would select the organization that applies to you. So in this example, we are UFB Perfect Pantry TFAP. And then for the following report sections, you can just select all and then create report. Similar to the statistics reports, it will think about it for a few minutes. If it's black, that means it's not an active link and it's not quite ready. But if you refresh your page up here in the corner, it's usually pretty quick. So now it's a blue link to click. I have a green check mark under my status, and this view icon is here. So I'm going to scroll down to this bulk recording category section, and then I will see my meals served. So now I know that 100 meals were served in the time frame that I ran this report. And that's all you have to do for congregate meals.